Yoga is an ancient practice. It connects breath, body, and mind. It originated in India thousands of years ago. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Yoga is not about achieving perfect poses. It's about connecting with yourself. It's about finding peace and strength within. You can practice yoga anywhere. All you need is a mat and an open mind. There are many styles of yoga. Some are gentle, while others are more challenging. Find a style that resonates with you. Start with a beginner-friendly class or video. Yoga offers numerous physical and mental benefits. Physically, yoga improves flexibility, strength, and balance. It can also reduce pain and improve sleep quality. Mentally, yoga helps reduce stress and anxiety. It promotes relaxation and emotional well-being. Yoga encourages mindfulness, helping you stay present. Yoga improves breathing and circulation. This oxygenates the body and calms the mind. Yoga also strengthens the immune system, boosting overall health. Let's explore 5 beginner-friendly yoga poses. Remember to listen to your body. Start slowly and gradually increase your hold time. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Ground down through your feet. Engage your leg muscles. Relax your shoulders. 2. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Start on all fours. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart. Press through your palms and feet. 3. Child's pose, Balasana. Kneel on your mat with toes touching. Bring your forehead to the mat. Extend your arms forward. This is a resting pose. 4. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Step your feet wide apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees. Extend your arms to the sides. Reach your right hand towards your right foot. Gaze up at your left hand. Repeat on the other side. 5. Corpse pose, Savasana. Lie flat on your back. Extend your arms and legs comfortably. Close your eyes and relax your entire body. Stay here for several minutes. Consistency is key in yoga. Aim to practice a few times a week. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration. Find a quiet space where you can practice undisturbed. Use a yoga mat for comfort and support. Wear comfortable clothing that allows free movement. Listen to your body and honor its limitations. Yoga should never be painful. Modify poses as needed. Be patient and kind to yourself. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process.